Birds in My Neighborhood is a program that we started in 2013 designed to connect children with nature in their neighborhood using birds, because birds, as we all know or start to realize, birds are everywhere, and birds are nature, and it's a way to get kids, young people, students that we work with in Chicago to start to think about nature in their community. So it's a very simple program. We connect some of our 60 schools that we work with in Chicago through the Building School Gardens program with volunteers. The volunteers are recruited through our networks as well as through the networks of Audubon Chicago. They're a key partner in Birds in My Neighborhood. And once we have the team set, 2 volunteers per classroom, we send the volunteers into the classroom and they do a visit where they literally just ask the students in that classroom what they know about birds, what they want to know. So in the second visit, the volunteers come back to the classroom and they lead the students on a bird walk in their schoolyard, through the school garden, through some of the other outdoor spaces. And then new this year is our third visit, which we are actually doing today at one of the premier birding locations in Chicago, the Magic Hedge at Montrose Harbor.
All right, quiet hands. All in the class call on a quiet hand. Yes, in the white, in the back.
Wing blackbird.
What color wing? Look at its wings.
Red wing blackbird.
Oh, red wing blackbird. Did anybody see a red wing blackbird? Okay.
Wendy Paulson has been essential and very instrumental in getting Birds in My Neighborhood off the ground at Openlands. She came to Openlands with the idea of using birds to connect children of Chicago to nature. She's an expert. She's a nationally, worldly renowned expert on birds. So it's really fun that we can do this today on a beautiful day for birding and a beautiful day to be outside and be with an expert like Wendy to show us around and help inspire everybody, not just the students, but also all of us who are here to assist.